Hello and welcome to our YouTube video on education policy, analyzing the UK education system and discussing reforms for improvement. Education is a fundamental human right and plays a crucial role in shaping the future of individuals and societies. As such, it is essential for any country to have a robust and effective education system to support its citizens' growth and development. We believe that education policy is a topic that concerns everyone, whether you are a student, parent, teacher, policymaker, or simply interested in the topic. Our hope is that through this video, we can provide a better understanding of the UK education system and spark meaningful conversations on how to improve it for the benefit of all. So without further ado, let's dive in. The current UK education system has undergone significant changes over the years, with different governments introducing reforms to improve the system. At present, the UK education system is divided into four main stages: primary education, secondary education, further education, and higher education. Primary education, which runs from age 5 to 11, focuses on basic skills such as literacy and numeracy. Secondary education, which runs from age 11 to 18, is divided into two stages: Key Stage 3, ages 11 to 14, and Key Stage 4, ages 14 to 16. Key Stage 4 culminates in GCSE exams, which are a crucial measure of students' academic achievement. Further education includes vocational and technical education and training for those aged 16 and above, including apprenticeships and BTEC qualifications. Higher education is provided by universities and higher education institutions and offers degree-level study. While the UK education system has many strengths, including a strong tradition of academic excellence and world-renowned universities, it also faces significant challenges. To address these challenges, various reforms have been proposed for improvement. These include increased investment in education. To address the issue of underfunding, the government could increase investment in education to ensure that all schools have access to adequate resources and facilities. Focus on teacher recruitment and retention. To address the issue of teacher shortages, the government could introduce policies to attract and retain high-quality teachers. This could include offering better salaries and benefits and improving working conditions. Addressing regional disparities. To address the issue of uneven distribution of resources, the government could introduce policies to ensure that schools in disadvantaged areas receive more funding and support. Critique of the proposed reforms. While there are several proposed reforms to improve the UK education system, it's essential to evaluate their effectiveness and potential unintended consequences. For instance, some proposed reforms aim to increase school choice and autonomy, such as expanding the number of academies and free schools. However, research shows that such reforms may lead to greater inequality and segregation. Other proposed reforms aim to address teacher shortages and improve the quality of teaching, such as increasing salaries and professional development opportunities. While these reforms are important, they may not be enough to address the root causes of teacher shortages and may not necessarily improve the overall quality of teaching. Ultimately, any proposed reform must consider its political and economic feasibility and its potential impact on students, teachers, and the education system as a whole. In conclusion, the UK education system has its strengths and weaknesses, and there is no one-size-fits-all solution to improve it. However, it's crucial to engage in meaningful conversations and debates on education policy to identify areas where the system can be improved. Through this video, we've analyzed the current UK education system, explored potential reforms for improvement, and evaluated their effectiveness and potential unintended consequences. We hope that this discussion will inspire policymakers, educators, and stakeholders to work together to create a more equitable, inclusive, and effective education system that benefits all students, regardless of their background or circumstances. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing your thoughts and feedback on this important topic.